The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a masterful blend of modern engineering and classic design, aimed at truck enthusiasts who appreciate nostalgic styling without sacrificing contemporary performance and technology. Designed to evoke memories of GMC's iconic trucks from the mid-20th century, the Vintage Pickup delivers a retro-modern experience that's as functional as it is stylish. GMC introduced the Vintage Pickup to pay homage to its storied history while providing a cutting-edge truck that meets today's demands for performance, technology, and sustainability. By incorporating modern powertrains, advanced safety features, and luxurious materials, GMC has created a truck that balances tradition and innovation. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup's exterior is a love letter to classic truck enthusiasts. It features a bold, boxy silhouette reminiscent of 1950s and 1960s pickups, complete with round headlights and a wide, chrome-laden grille that carries GMC's heritage proudly. The truck bed has a nostalgic wood-paneled floor with stainless steel accents, while modern touches like LED lighting and aerodynamic side mirrors bring it into the 21st century. The color palette offers retro-inspired hues such as forest green, harvest red, and a two-tone option for an authentic vintage feel. The interior blends vintage aesthetics with modern comfort and technology. The dashboard design features a retro-styled analog speedometer complemented by a digital driver information display. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching and wood grain trim add a touch of luxury. Modern amenities include a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system, and advanced climate controls. Hidden beneath the nostalgic design are modern safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well. Buyers can choose between a turbocharged 2.7 liters inline-4, a powerful 5.3 liters V8, or an all-electric powertrain for those seeking zero-emission driving. The electric version offers up to 400 miles of range on a single charge and supports fast charging. With advanced suspension systems and a lightweight yet durable frame, the Vintage Pickup delivers a smooth ride, whether on highways or rugged terrains. Its towing and payload capacities ensure that it remains a capable workhorse despite its nostalgic design. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a testament to the idea that the past can inspire the future. With its striking blend of vintage charm and modern technology, it appeals to drivers who want a unique, stylish, and capable truck. Whether used for work, play, or as a collector's item, this pickup is sure to become a timeless classic in its own right. GMC has successfully bridged the gaps between nostalgia and innovation, making the Vintage Pickup a standout in today's competitive truck market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more related content.